All right. I'm going to ask you some general questions and you have to reply. And remember, whenever you answer the question, answer in three parts. Part one, answer the question directly. Part two, give reasons for your answer. And part three, conclude your answer. So, whenever there is any question, you should just try to answer like that. Part one, answer the question directly. Part two, elaborate or explain or give reasons for your answer. And part three, you got to conclude your answer. Okay? So, let's take a start. Do you work or study?
I work.
What do you do?
I work with my father. He has a garments factory. That's why I'm working with him.
Okay, I work with him.
I work with him.
You need to speak actively and energetically, right? This दो पराठे खा के नहीं बच्चा डांस करता है. So you just need to talk like that, okay? Yeah. Let's go on. What do you do in your free time?
I play football with my
Ask
friends.
नीचे कर लें. Yeah, you talk. Yeah. Okay.
I play football with my friends in free time because when I was 13 years old, since 13 years old, I'm playing football.
I have been playing football since I was 13.
Since 13 years old, I have been playing football.
Okay, you didn't even understand what I said. I have been playing football since I was 13 years old.
I have been playing football since when.
छोड़ दें कुछ और करें आप ना कोई और काम कर लें या बच्चे की engagement कर दें कहीं सही हो जाएगा okay just joking let's go on I mean you just need to see you have to be at the present moment you are not in now either you are in past or you are in future या तो आप सोच रहे हैं मैंने क्या करना था या सोच रहे हैं क्या करूँगा so try to be in this very moment okay where we are sitting here and all that all right let's go on how often do you play games
I play games three time in the day because I love I love gaming. I love to try different games because I can say it's my hobby.
Okay, that's good. What's your favorite game and why?
Sorry.
What is your favorite game and why? See that he's not present.
My favorite game is playing football.
My favorite game is football.
It is football. Because I love to play football. It's keep you healthy and energetic.
It keeps me healthy and
It keeps me healthy and energetic. That's why I love to play football.
okay, that's good. Where would you like to go to in the future, or would you like to visit any place in the future?
Yeah, I would like to travel USA.
I would like to travel to USA.
I would like to travel to USA because I want to see how it's look like.
I want to see how it looks like.
It's look like.
You want to see Auntie Liberty, Statue of Liberty
Yeah,
as
yeah.
well? Okay.
That's why I want to travel America.
I want to travel to America.
To America.
All right, thank you very much. Next one, please. Okay, what do you do?
I look.
What do you
my-
do means
I
your
look-
status, whether you are doing any business or you are a homemaker or you're doing any job. So if you just take care of your children, that means you are a homemaker. So you can say, I am a homemaker.
I am a homemaker and instructor.
An instructor.
Yes.
Okay, very good. What do you teach?
I teach yoga.
Okay,
Yoga aerobics
all right.
for loss weight.
Okay.
Also,
What are the advantages of yoga?
quantity
What are the advantages of yoga?
advantages.
Benefits of doing yoga?
Yoga you keep for relaxed mind, for flexibility, and strong body for strong body.
Okay, and what is the difference between yoga and aerobics?
Aerobics for loss, for weight loss, and for breathe.
Okay, still you're not making proper sentences. You should say, well, first of all, yoga is for the relaxation of the mind. On the other hand, aerobics is mainly for body. If you want to lose your weight or if you need physical strength, for that aerobics are very important. Something like that. Focus your sentence structure. What you are doing, you are just communicating word by word. There isn't any proper sentence. So you should make proper sentences. Okay. Now let's go on. How do you spend time with your children, or what do you do when you are with your children?
I talk with my children and guide.
I guide them.
Guide children. Yes, and I teach when they come from school.
Okay, I teach them when they come back from school.
Yes.
Okay, I guide them well. Sometimes I play with my children and I cook delicious food for them. And when they enjoy the food, I feel good. Something like that. Okay, all right, let's go on. What do you do on Sunday?
I come out for.
I go out.
I'll go out for outing.
I go out for outing, or I
Okay, for
go
my-
out for excursion or for shopping or
For
anything like that.
Yes, for shopping with my children, and go restaurant, enjoy.
We go to the
We go-
restaurants and enjoy. Now,
Restaurant, yeah.
don't focus the words. Say you said enjoy, huh? Now enjoy is not a sentence. So whenever we communicate with proper sentences.
We go to for enjoy.
No, wrong. We go for enjoyment. We go for enjoyment. Okay. All right. Let's go on. Please, it's your turn. Do you work or study?
I am working.
All right. What do you do? I am working,
I am
or I am a businessman.
I am
Simply, you can say
businessman.
I'm a businessman.
I am businessman.
I work and I am a
I
businessman.
am
All right. How can you expand your business?
I want to open new outlets because we are manufacturers and we want to. Our plan is we have our own outlets because we touch to direct to consumers.
Yeah, we want to contact with the consumer
Consumers
directly.
Directly.
Right.
Yes.
And consumer.
And consumer,
Exactly.
yes.
All right. So how long have you been working in this field?
I am working.
I have been working.
I have been working since 25 years.
I have been
30
working in this
30
field
years.
for 30
For
years.
30 years.
Yeah, I have been working in this field
Thir-
for
30
30
years,
years.
yes.
Okay. Why did you start this business?
Because my father is doing.
My father was doing.
My father was doing this business. That's why.
So you can say I inherited this business
business
from my father, and
Yes.
ever since I've been
Yes,
doing
yes.
it. All right, good. Would you like to do a different type of business in future?
Yes, I like different types of business, like shoes.
I want to manufacture shoes.
Yes, all businesses related fashion.
Okay.
In fashion, yes.
Okay, so you want to do the business which is related to fashion,
Yes, children's
manufacturing
garments,
shoes, jewelry, children's garments.
Yes.
Okay. Do you prefer business or job?
Yes, I prefer business.
Why?
Because business we can explore and
In business, we can
decisions,
explore new
new
opportunities.
opportunities.
Yes.
new opportunities, and we help our country.
We can help our
We can
country. Yeah.
and we pay tax.
We pay
more,
tax. We give employment opportunities to people.
opportunities. That's why I like business. In business, after we can travel several places.
Yeah, we can travel to several places. Okay. So, but if you are a
In job, we
person,
cannot
travel.
and we have no decision.
We cannot make our own
Our
decisions.
decisions.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Next one, please. Okay. Let's just move on. Do you work or study?
I do work.
Okay. What do you do?
I am doing business.
Okay. What sort of business or what kind of business is that?
Primarily, it is a consultancy firm, and we are dealing in engineering designs.
Okay, that's right. What do you do to relax after your work?
I do reading, and I can say that reading is my hobby.
Good. So, what do you read? What kind of books do you read?
Generally, I read, nowadays I am reading the psychology, and with the passage of time, my interest changed, and
My interest changes.
changes, and I add some new dimensions. or
Okay.
new
What is your
topics.
favorite book and why?
Mm, why? Right now, I can say my favorite book, any book which is on.
Now, you need to talk about a specific book that you
Yes.
like.
Actually, I am talking about the topic only. I want to
Okay.
elaborate the topic.
All right. But if you know any book like Principles of Psychology, it's a book,
Yes, it's a
right?
book.
Or Human Psychology, it's the title of the book. So, what's
Okay.
your favorite book? When it comes to favorite book, you need to talk about the title of the book.
Yes, uh, because I have studied a few books on psychology and few books on leadership. So what I learned in past, particularly 5 years, from last 5 years, I am studying the psychology. I have learned that there is no comprehensive model available to study as a human, and the model should be an ultimate model, because in psychology we can see the theories are evolving day by day. So what I learned that there is a only person who taught us the principle how to deal a man or how to
Okay.
understand a
How
man.
do you
It's,
typically start your day?
I generally start my day with uh, breakfast and shower. Then I attend my calls and emails. I have to check my emails and spend my few moments with my kids.
Okay. Do you
Then-
like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling. I can say I like travel a lot.
I love to travel a lot. Why?
Because in traveling you have time to think, and you can explore different destinations and different dimensions of life. You can meet peoples, and you can observe different cultures. That's why I like.
Okay. What is your favorite mode of transportation and why?
It depends the availability of time. Personally, my favorite mode of transportation is by road, and second preference by train. But usually on long distances, I have
For long distances?
long distances I had to travel by air.
I have to travel by air. Okay, that's good. What is your favorite destination in the world?
My favorite destinations are so number one is Turkey, number two is Europe, and number three is US.
Why?
Because Turkey is I have observed that Turkey is rich in history, and it has natural beauty. Peoples are very good.
People are very good.
At least I can say only one region or only one country who gives respect to
Which gives respect.
which gives respect to Pakistani peoples.
Okay. All right, that's lovely. Thank you very much. Let's go on here. All right, do you work or study?
Well, I am studying right now. I have done my FSc. Now I have now I am doing IELTS for going abroad, and then for going abroad for bachelor degree. Then I came Pakistan for
Then I will come back to Pakistan.
Pakistan.
All right, tell me one thing. What do you want to study in a foreign country?
I have planned to do MBBS in foreign country uh, for serve the community.
Okay.
Then I will come back Pakistan for
All right.
further.
So, what's your favorite subject and why?
My favorite subject is biology, because I am doing FSc pre-medical with biology, and now I have planned to do MBBS, which is in which the biology plays main role in MBBS.
Okay. All right. What is your favorite country and why?
My favorite country is America, because it's the world's best country in my opinion. It's the because there are many places in America which are attractive and which are very famous for visiting. That's right.
Okay, that's good. So, what is your goal of life or what is your aim in life?
My aim in life that I have to do MBBS. Then I have planned to build a hospital and
Okay, I plan to build a hospital.
and also working in this,
I want to work
at that hospital
in that
for
hospital.
serving the humanity and serve many people.
Okay, what is your favorite food and why?
What's your favorite food? Like which type of
Food, eatables. What is your favorite food? Favorite dish?
any type, like fruit or everything?
Okay, so fruit is not a dish actually. You can talk about like chicken, mutton, whatever.
Okay. My
Fish.
favorite food is fish.
Okay, why?
Because I like it and it's very delicious.
Hmm.
Often I have to eat fish once a week.
Okay. All right, that's good. So overall, it's fine. Whenever you speak, just try to take interest in what you are speaking. The first thing. The second thing is the person with whom you are talking. Try to look at the person and keep in mind that there is something I want to make other person understand. So when you have the and connect yourself with the listener. For example, now I'm talking to you all. I'm trying to connect with you, with you, with you, with you. How? I'm looking at you. I look into your eyes. And this is how we are connecting. So whenever you communicate, it's very important. Before you communicate, you connect yourself with your audience. Audience can be one person or 5 people. Now, when I was asking you the questions one by one, then I was only connecting individually. And when now I'm talking to you all, so I'm trying to connect myself with all of you. So this connection will ensure good communication flow. And this connection is mainly eye contact and continuous eye contact. Continuous doesn't mean you look at one person all the time. No. Looking here, there, randomly look around. But make sure within less than 4-5 seconds, you look at one person second time also. Right? Now I'm looking at you, but I know he's looking at me. So I have to go back to him, right? I talk to you now, but I have to go back to him as well. So this is how you can connect yourself. And if you are talking to one person, just look into the eyes and randomly. And at times you can look here and there also. And then again, you can look at the person. So that shows your confidence. That shows that you are actually fair. You know, when someone lies, if the person is not expert, first his eyes will move like that. Children, when they lie, their eyes don't support. So if you are fair, your eyes, body language, facial expressions, tone of your language, all these things will support you, right? Okay, thank you.